Welcome to the future of travel. What you are looking at right now isn't a concept art, and it's certainly not a dream. This is the world's most advanced, custom-built Chevrolet Super C Motorhome. The price tag? A staggering $2.5 million. Today, we are taking an exclusive look inside this futuristic mansion on wheels to see exactly why it's worth more than most luxury homes in America. From its aggressive white custom body kit to the cutting-edge tech hidden inside, the king of the road has officially arrived. Just look at the sheer scale of this beast. It stretches a massive 45 feet in length. The design is purely aerodynamic, built for stability at highway speeds. Notice those massive slide-outs. With the push of a single button, they extend out, effectively doubling the interior square footage. The all-white paint job combined with those sweeping gray graphics gives it a spaceship vibe. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a 5-star hotel that goes wherever you go. The back is just as impressive as the front. Check out the modern vertical LED taillights and the dual chrome exhaust tips. Under the hood, this monster is powered by a heavy-duty Duramax V8 diesel engine. It produces enough torque to tow your SUV, your boat, or even a trailer full of toys behind you without breaking a sweat. Whether you're climbing the Rockies or cruising through the Nevada desert, this Super C dominates every terrain. They say the devil is in the details, and this rig proves it. Take a look at these custom 24-inch polished white and chrome wheels, designed specifically to handle the weight of this luxury liner. And that front grille? It features an illuminated Chevrolet bow tie logo that glows at night, letting everyone on the highway know that something massive is coming through. The craftsmanship here is absolutely world-class. Let's step inside. Welcome to the cockpit. Sitting here doesn't feel like driving a truck. It feels like piloting a private jet. You've got a massive panoramic windshield offering unbeatable visibility. The entire dashboard is wrapped in premium white leather, and all the analog gauges have been replaced by high-definition digital touchscreens. With 360-degree cameras, night vision, and adaptive cruise control, driving this $2.5 million giant is effortless. And now, welcome to your new home. This is the main living area. Can you believe we are inside a vehicle right now? Look at the floor. That is genuine Italian marble. And yes, it is fully heated. The white leather sofas are custom-stitched and incredibly comfortable. Above us, the ambient LED lighting can be color-changed to match your mood. It's the perfect blend of futuristic minimalism and pure luxury. Think you can't cook gourmet meals on the road? Think again. This galley kitchen is better equipped than most apartments in New York City. You have sleek white quartz countertops, a flush-mounted induction cooktop, and handleless cabinetry that opens with a touch. Hidden behind these panels are a full-size refrigerator and a dishwasher. Whether it's a quick coffee or a 5-course dinner, this kitchen handles it all. And finally, the retreat, the master suite. It features a California king-size bed with a 55-inch 4K TV integrated seamlessly into the wall. The windows use smart glass technology, turning opaque for instant privacy at the touch of a button. So, here is the big question. Could you live in this $2.5 million masterpiece full-time? Let me know in the comments below. Type yes or no. If you enjoyed this tour, smash that like button and subscribe for more insane luxury RV tours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.